Yes.
My lord, I beg to mention item 52. In
50?
this case, my lord, day before yesterday in the evening hours, I have received the counter affidavit, my lord.
On the prayer of Mr. S.K. Talukdar, list this matter again after 2 weeks.
My lord, can it be before, my lord,
Huh?
after, immediately after?
List it again on 25/1/2024. So he is permitted to bring on record. He is permitted to file his replies against the affidavit filed by the counsel in the matter.
The lordship will record he's giving the consent, my lord. I have informed the other side.
Okay, fine.
Hey, please, my lord.
We believe Mr. Talukdar, there is no problem.
My lord.
When Talukdar says, we believe him. Yes.
Item number 25, my lords. Perhaps my lords would not like to take up this matter.
Minor's case.
My newspaper, my lords.
List item number 25. List this matter before any other bench without me.
There is some urgency, my lords. Immediately after vacation, my lord.
An urgency has been expressed in the matter by Mr. B. Chaudhary. Accordingly, the registry takes steps for listing of the matter after the listing the matter in on 18 ki bar hai? 19/1/2020.
I'm deeply obliged, my lords.
May it please, my lord. I pray for listing of a matter, my lord, after vacation. Contempt.
May I please, Lord. My lord.
Any listing matters, please give it to me.
My lord, item number 66, my lord. Yesterday I had received an affidavit and resolution, my lord.
Today, all allowed.
After 3 weeks, my lord.
Today, all allowed.
66.
Before Bihus, no rush. On the prayer of Mr. A.H.M.R. Chaudhary, Clerk Counsel for Petition. List this matter after 2 weeks.
3 weeks, my lord.
3 weeks.
It is going to
On a date.
supplementation to.
Supplementation. Yeah, what was the issue?
66.
Huh?
66.
What is the issue?
This has been done not after next week. Next
No,
month.
what is the issue?
It is regarding that that apprehension of the court that some scams were happened regarding that marks percentage of marks.
You have filed. Yes,
We have
yes,
filed
yes.
affidavit, but affidavit not tagged with
This matter again, you have filed an affidavit.
affidavit. It is not tagged
Okay.
with the next week immediate.
Let's say again on 19/1.
Yes.
Oh, that
Yes. my lord.
selection thing.
Yes,
You said
yes,
marks were
And
increased.
he has alleged
Yes,
that.
yes, yes.
Yes, that one.
I saw there was no affidavit in the record.
It was filed, but it was not tagged. Some
Yesterday
text
filed.
was there.
19/1.
May it please, your lordship. Lordship, item 49. Can it be taken up after 2 weeks? my lord?
Today, anything can be done.
49.
On the prayer of Mr. M.R. Khandakar, list this matters again on 24, 25,
29th.
29/1/2024.
May it please your lordship.
May it please.
I beg to mention item number 38, lordship. 2 weeks time.
What was the issue here?
Lordship disciplinary proceeding.
I am for the petitioner lordship. I am challenging that.
You have been taking time repeatedly in this matter. 21, let it be called. Let it be called.
What's problem?
Let it be called, Mr. Counsel. Because time has been taken, I think, on several occasions.
After vacation lordship. that-
Now, let's see. Let it be called. I'll not pass any adversary. Don't worry. Today, no adversary.
May it please, lordship. Item number 35 and 36 may kindly be taken after view vacation.
That graduate skill case.
Sorry,
Reduction in the graduate skill.
lordship.
Your name?
M. Rahman.
You're not in the case. 35,
No,
36.
I am not in the case.
You're making this prayer
On behalf of M.H. Ahmed.
on a prayer made on behalf of Mr. M.H. Ahmed. Citing personal inconvenience, list this matters again on 26, 20, 27,
It is on holiday.
29,
29.
29/1/2020.
Obliged.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of the case.
Lordship in
Not today. Not today.
Yes.
Lordship in item number 58, I have filed an affidavit, lordship. That may be called for.
Item number
58.
impleading.
No, Lordship. Affidavit, Lordship, additional affidavit.
List this matter, 58, list this matter again on
Maybe taken,
today.
affidavit may be called for, Lordship. I am paying for.
Come on, India. Give it. Yes,
May I please Lordship, item 63, inquire the Lordship.
oh, item number 63. List before any other court without. Yes, Mr. Varman.
May it please your lordship, item number 67 may not be taken up by this court, I think, lordship. Already he have appeared in his earlier occasion.
I appeared.
Yes, lordship.
Okay. Item number 67, list before any other court, any other bench. without me.
Highly obliged, lordship.
My lord, may I? Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of a IS civil in for implement.
May because lordship, my lord,
Yes.
I on behalf of a talukdar, my lord, item number 26, 48, my lord,
48,
48, my lord, list after 2 weeks,
Uh,
my lord,
item number 48. You had circulated a list yesterday
after 2 weeks.
on the prayer of Miss A. Talukdar. A prayer made on behalf of Miss A. Talukdar. List this matter after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the judge.
Obliged.
Yes, madam.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, your item number 51 is wrongly listed. It should not be for withdrawal. It was last listed for admission.
Item number
51, Jagdish Shah,
51.
supplementary list.
No, no, madam. Jagadish,
51 daily list.
ma'am, you are in the wrong court maybe.
Sorry.
Yeah, madam.
Supplementary list for motion, item 65.
Yes, Mr. Sharma, what is the instruction?
May I please, your lord. Lordship, here, my lord, some miscommunication is there because my mobile phone has lost, my lord. So, and moreover, my lord, there is discrimination. I had conversation with the IS, and IS told me that there is age discrimination. As such, one police case was registered, as case number 522/2021, and thereafter police seized the original service book of petitioner on 14/3/2022. In another petition 678/2022, they had made the statement this. It is the para-wise comment of that. Yes, yes, no, yes. As manipulation is here.
But the excess drawal is under stay.
Yes,
Who is this gentleman? Inspector of Schools, Nalbari.
yes.
Ask him to come.
After her visit.
Lordship, kindly have a look, page 27, my lord. Rule
You
4.
sit down, you sit down. You have nothing to do here. You sit down. There is a clear cut order from you. All these things are prior. Prior to this, this order was of 11/11/21. And the suspension order is of, suspension withdrawal thing is of 24/2/23. And the order is 21/3/22. You will have to.
And police says all these original documents. my
We
lord,
can't help it, but
according
he,
to
but the order is already issued,
Yes,
page 18. The Inspector of Schools, Nalbari District Circle, Nalbari, was required to place instructions as to the reason why the order dated 11/11. Order dated 13/10/2023. Passed by this court in writ application number 6099/2023 for payment of provisional pension was not complied with. Also, it may be mentioned here that why an early order dated. Where is that 21/3 earlier order?
Page 16, my lord.
Page?
16, my lord, 16, annexure 4.
No, order of this court.
So order of the court, my lord. This is at page, my lord, annexure 8, page 21, my lord.
No. Order dated 21/3/2022. No, ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है. As to why the order dated so and so is not complied with. Oh no, I've mentioned here that the inspector of schools had applied his order dated 21/3/2022, authorized to the petitioner. No, 21/3/2022 authorized to the petitioner provisional pension. However, till date, they said amount was not released. Full stop. This court had on 5/1/2024 directed for placing on record a said instruction. On 11/1/2024. On 11/1/2024, when this matter was listed, the inspector of schools had failed to bring on record the requisite instructions. Today, when the matter is listed, also no further instruction have been placed on it. In that view of the matter, what to do? You call him?
Well, actually, I have lost my mobile.
In that view of the matter, and also the undertaking given by Mr. Yu Sharma, that he takes it upon himself, have the instructions on record, list this matter again on 19/1/2022. Before Bihu, I don't want to trouble you.
Yes.
My lord, kindly, my lord, 22, my lord, 22-1.
You go wherever you want to go. We will know. We will do.
My lord.
You have brought it to my notice. That is the end of the matter. What I have to do, I'll do.
My lord. Deep look.
Yeah.
Daily list, item 1.
Nineteen. Yes, Mr. Sisi.
Yeah, I'm with it, sir. Section writing. Section. Huh? Section to up to the section.
Yes, Mr. Sisi, any instruction?
In that particular instruction, still I have not received losses.
List this matter again on
It can't allot for us.
19, next week to Monday to starting Monday, 19.
Thursday, 25/1.
Monday, Tuesday, Monday.
Monday, 22.
22.
22/1.
List this matter again on 22/1/2024, on which date Mr. Christie shall invariably produce instructions as sought for by this order dated 27/10/2020. List again on
Yes.
27/10, on 22/1/2024 at the top of the list.
Item number 2.
It was allotted to someone else. I have to appear lawsuit that I couldn't go through it.
Today, no, nothing.
Yes.
Today, Bihu mood.
Anyway.
Yes, Mr. Gogoi.
My lord, here I've got the instruction.
Ah.
But as per my instruction, my lord, this particular school is the right, it has been rightly released to this particular school.
Then you
But
give it-
why it has been, my lord, that impugn order has been issued? And my lord, there is one more writ petition. I have created, my lord, this, both the writ petition may come together. What has happened is, there is two schools by the same name in the same area.
There is one is
Yes.
by one
other
Saha
school-
and other one is by one somebody else.
No, my lord, yes, my lord, other school is, my lord, that WPC 6023-2019. That school is not entitled.
Okay.
In that parawise comment, it is very clear.
And
And
this
it was
school,
last
this
listed
school
on-
is just taken to the right.
But the fact is, my lord, though, my lord, they have now stated that this particular school, there's item number 2, they are entitled. But my lord, an impugnment order, why it has been issued, might be wrongly issued also. So both may come together on 18, my lord, immediately.
The allegation of the petitioner is that this is a government-owned school. The other one is a private one.
Yes, my lord. Because, my lord, this particular school, the scheme is, my lord, that only those schools who have got the financial assistance, only they will be entitled. The other school has not got the financial assistance.
Mr. P. Gugui submits that has received instructions in the matter and submits that there is another writ petition pending on the same issue.
My
That
lord.
is
6023.
WPC number 6023 of
2019.
19. List this matter again on 19/1/2022
Lord,
along with WPC number 6023/2019.
I am obliged.
For motion, item 3.
Yeah, please.
Mr. Counsel, you come to your page 2.
So, yes, Lordship.
What is the
The
name?
last time I was allowed to correct the name, Your Lordship, put up the name of the container. But well, there is no any order. That is why the section did not allow me to.
No.
Please, Your Lordship, I may be allowed to
The
put up the name
petitioner
of the container. Your
is permitted to correct
Yes, ma'am.
the cost title and incorporate the name of the contemner respondent. Therein, full stop. The petitioner for the said purpose shall file an amended cost title with the registry within amended cost title with the registry within 2 working days. Next 2 working days. Full stop. The registry to list this matter again after receipt of the said amended cost title. You will have to put in an amended cost title. Otherwise,
Yes,
sir,
sir. By hand, Your
permitted
Lordship.
you, do it.
I may be allowed to by hand.
I have allowed you.
Mass obliged.
Item 4.
Compulsory appointment letter, Lordship.
Yes. What is the instruction? Any instruction, Mr. Srikan?
No, my lord.
List this matter again on 25/1/2024, on which
My lord,
date
in
the
the-
P. Saikia shall place on record.
My lord, in the month of February, Lordship.
You have work, you go, I'll take care of. 25/1/2024, on this date, Mr. P. Saikia shall invariably place on record the instructions as sought for by the order dated 5/1/2020.
Must file your letters.
Item 5.
Yes,
May I please your lordship, my lord, the matter may be passed over for time being. The learned counsel is in the another court.
come immediately. Half an hour.
Item 6.
May I please your lordship, petition, respondent.
Yes, Mr. Fukan. Mr. Kosik, where is he?
He's on legs in another court. Lordship may have it after some time. He must have got instruction.
But in the first half itself.
My lord.
Item 7.
Guwahati University was directed to produce the record, brother. Did maybe absent.
Yes, where is Mr. Fukan? Get hold of Mr. Fukan.
I tried to call his phone is switched off.
No, he has a matter, he'll come. You wait. He has a matter.
Item 8.
Roba. 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Notice. Ali Sai Lobo, single respondent name, returnable 4 weeks. Petitioner to take steps within 3 working days. The matter be listed after 4 weeks, along with the status report with regard to service of notice. Done. Item number 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Notices, take steps within 2 days.
Obliged.
Item 16.
16, 17, same. List this matters again on 24/1/2020. 24/1/24 open now. Calendar.
Open.
Ah. 24. 16, 17. Yes. Next.
May I please
Item
your
18.
lordship- May I please your lordship, items 16, 17.
Ah.
Lordship, can we pass over the matter? for the
24/1/2024.
Lordship,
24/1/2024. It will come up again on 24th.
yes, lordship, my senior on legs in another court.
Array, madam, I'm not taking up today. It will be on 24th.
24. Okay.
Inform Mr. Kolita.
Okay.
Item 18.
Yes. Why have you not given them the reasons, Mr. Chisti? That order of my Lord Justice Shyam, same recruitment process.
Yes.
You
And-
you have got the reasons why,
No.
No.
Madam.
Mr. Chisti,
Yes.
list this matter again on 25/1/2024. On which date, Mr. Chisti shall furnish to the counsel of the petitioner the reasons why. No, the medical examination report of the petitioners, by which it was concluded that the petitioners did not meet the benchmark for appointment. List this matter again. ऊपर तो लिखा है 25. 25.
25.
25 one.
All three items.
All.
All
16, 18, 19, 20, same order.
Obliged.
Hmm, 21. 25 one.
Item number 19.
No, 19, 20, same.
Item 20.
20 same.
Same. 21.
Item 21.
None appears for the petitioners. Issue notice. Oh, no. List this matter again on 29/1/2024 along with WPC number 1949/2021. Notice number. One 1949/2021.
Item 22.
Wait, this is your lordship. The petitioners will contractually engage in various interventions of Shikha Abhijan. And my lord,
Who is appearing?
I'm appearing.
A similar order. 107. List this matters again on 6/2. Oh no. 7/2. Oh no, but 9/2. 2020.
Excellent.
Yeah, but खाली एक line. List again on 9. 20. Page 100. List along with like, yeah.
Listed enough.
ये खाली नाम ले लीजिए. Order ये खाली last paragraph नीचे ही. ये नीचे. List along with application number. 736/24. Page 88. Order is at page 107.
my lord, obliged, review.
Item 23.
Three years, not criteria, not met. Disposed of. Allowed. Orders after vacation, after Bihu. Orders after Bihu.
Now to disable.
You give your names, madam. Respondents or non-declarative.
Item 24,
My lord, the improved
Mr.
order
Chis-
lordship will find, my lord, page 40.
Mr. Chisti,
Yes, your lord.
you yourself have permitted this man to continue for such 91 only. Initially against the leave vacancy.
Yes.
Thereafter, he was given scale because he did not have a GPF number that was stopped. So literally, he is like your regular member. We don't want to have any technicalities coming here. Otherwise, he does not have a matter. Just take up page 30.
Page 30.
30. A report was submitted by the inspector of schools to the inspector of schools. Naturally, he might have principal submitted it to the inspector of schools. Just see whether anything has been done in pursuance to this.
Only thing is that nowadays that commission has been constituted
I know
as
that.
per the act.
I know
lordship.
that. I know that.
That
But
difficulty
see,
is there.
He is a
Technically-
man.
Yes.
If you find the orders, you just go through it. We'll have it after vacations. Otherwise, my hands are tied here. Peter has it. And see, that commission thing will also not work here. I think he's around 53 or 54 now.
Now, yes.
Just use your good office.
Okay.
There are some cases wherein you must be a little bit more from the heart than the
Yes.
mind.
So we are, but at the.
I know that.
that
But
is-
we'll see,
that is
we'll
the
see to that
difficulty.
you are protected and this does not open a floodgate.
Yeah.
That you leave it to us. Mr. SMT 60 shall receive instruction as to the claims made by the petition in the present proceeding. List again on 2/2/2024. Let's see.
Yes, Lord.
Other than that, there is nothing, Mr. Mondal.
But till then, the improved order make.
No. Will not do anything. We will give you complete relief, if possible.
Deep Lord bless you.
26,
Yeah, my entire case is at page 30, representation 9, Actually, 78 days. on leave.
Mr. See,
Verify.
no.
No.
Retired person. You have your answer. Mr. SMT 60 shall receive instruction as to why the petitioner was not granted commuted leave on medical grounds for the period he was under medical treatment. But the set and as to why the set period was regularized by deducting his earned leave account. So the petitioner has in the meantime superannuated, retired from his services on reaching the age of superannuation. List this case again on 5/2/2024, on which date Mr. Chisti shall place on record. Commuted leave is to be given now. Earned leave goes 98 days. He loses a lot of amount.
78 days only.
78 days.
item 27,
May I please, your lordship? What is it? 26. Page 123, that is 123, lordship. Page 123 and the relevant portion is at page 124, lordship. The survey. Lordship, the service of the say Devacharan Das has been teacher and the say Madhucharan Das, Madhucharan Sarkar grade 4 employees are to be regularized against the vacancy. This case, Lordship, and similar order has been passed, some order has been passed
Where?
in court number 13, Lordship, item WBC number 98/2014.
Where is that order?
Actually, unfortunately, I could not. So she I may be given some time. I'll just get the order done and place before the court. Did petition number 98.
Wait, wait.
Oh, regarding the Debacharan Das.
Ma'am, wait, wait. Item number 27.
27.
Issue notice. Don't describe the parties also. How can the additional chief secretary be treated as the state officer? Okay, on the prayer of Ms. Jaypal, list this matter again on
No, sir, in the month of February, because I'll be out of session.
okay, on 5/2/2024.
So, Worship, can it be on 2/2? Because another matter, similar matter is on
2/2/2020. You check your course title.
Item 28.
List this matter of on 29/1/2024. None appears for the on call. List this matter again on 29/1.
Item 29.
Mr. Fukan,
Regarding
there was another matter
select.
that I'm sorry, just troubling you. With regard to that, Mr. The records, have you got it?
Oh, my lord,
That's fine. If you have it, it's fine. You go ahead with it.
my lord,
Yes, has the appointments taken place?
no, my lord,
Appointments have not been taken.
not been taken. The governing body has taken the decision to recommend the name of the private.
The name goes to whom? To the DSC Assam or DHC Assam or the Director of School
My lord,
Education Board?
I don't have the definite information, my lord, but the information is there, my lord.
On the next date fixed, Ms. M. Das, Mr. M. Mrs. M.S. P. Das shall receive instruction and receive instructions as to the reason existing for selecting the respondent number 7 for the post in question. Ms. P. Das shall produce before this court the marks allotted by each of the selection committee members shall produce the records of the selection committee, and the same should also contain the marks awarded by each of the selection committee members to the candidates appearing in the selection process. Also, it has been stated in the bar that the appointment of the respondent number 7 as assistant professor, Department of Chemistry, Basugam College, Basugam, has not been effected till date. In that view of the matter, till the next returnable date, the appointment of respondent number 7 in terms of the impugned selection shall not be effected. Shall not be. List again on 2/2/2020.
May I please use your
My
lordship?
lord, the records particularly regarding the teaching experience, my lord.
That marking when it comes,
Yes.
we get it.
May I please use your lordship?
I had that in my mind. So the records, individual marking sheets come, they'll be giving a mark for this. And your case is,
While
is doing
pursuing the
PhD.
cannot
There is a
claim.
decision of a division bench of our court. I appear.
And the
This is the
UGC
problem. I don't
regulation is also
remember
clear.
names. Huh?
UGC regulation is also clear, 3.11.
Your lordship, pertaining to respondent number 5 and 6, your lordship, extra notice.
I'm not issuing notice. You are standing counsel, get the records.
Deeply ordered.
Yes, Mr. Fukan. Any instruction in that other case?
I'm being 7.
Huh? Item number 7. 7. No, 7. No. What is the number?
Item number 7, 7.
Jotindra Chandra Kolita, yes, 7.
That re-evaluation result, my lord, the result has not been declared as yet, my lord. My lord, yet to declare which is under process, the re-evaluation results will be declared shortly. My lord.
Okay. List this matter again after, list this matter again on 9/2/2024. On which date Mr. PJ Fukan shall submit an updated status with regard to the re-evaluation process of the papers of the petitioner. Mr. PJ Fukan, in terms of the earlier directions passed by this court, has submitted on instruction that the re-evaluation process in question is under process and the same is yet to be concluded. Accordingly, this matter again on 9/2/2024, on which date Mr. PJ Fukan shall place before this court the updated instructions in the matter.
Timing 5.
Most of them. May I please, your lordship?
Yes,
My lordship.
Mr. Chisi, this is a provincialized school?
Yes, my lord. Yes.
Now tell me one thing. No, forget it. Nothing is not required. Tell me one thing. See, there is a school set up. The school has all infrastructure.
Yes, your lord.
That school gets amalgamated with some others.
Yes.
What happens to the land and thing of the original school?
Original school.
Say there is a school in Uzambuzar
Yes.
with land, property, everything.
Yes.
It gets amalgamated with a school in base school in Panbazar.
Yes.
So this school moves there.
Yes.
Now, what will happen to the land and all these things here?
That is under the government and right now those were lying as it is losses.
The case here is this petitioner's father or grandfather
Yes.
had
Or they
donated
want now return back.
return back. And once that land is gone,
Land is gone. It is
taken by the government.
It become a property of the government. Lordship.
Government.
Yes. That
Yes.
cannot be returned back at this stage.
Well, I have
Yes.
filed additional
I got it. And in the additional affidavit, there is no such condition.
Yes.
In the gift deed, there is no such condition.
As per resolution one of
Forget the resolution, that is gone. Once the government has taken over that property.
Yes.
The school committee, my lord, managing committee.
That school managing committee at that point of time was not under the government.
Yes, my lord.
Subsequently, it
Subsequently,
was
it is
taken over
provincialized.
by the government.
Yes.
But
So anything is there, it's an asset of the government will
in
decide.
our representation, we
No.
not say that we want to have the land. We
On the
want
next
to-
date, the Islamic Council for the petitioner shall apprise this court with regard to his right to have the land donated by his grandfather, by their on the next date fixed, the Islamic Council for the petitioner shall address this court on the right to claim the land, reclaim the land donated by their grandfather to the school in question. Also, the school in question, after being set up, about school in question, not full stop, wait. List again on 2/2/2024.
Yes, my lord.
You satisfy me on that.
Actually,
Okay.
my lordship, we are not, in the sense, we are not reclaiming. We want anything as per our wishes of our grandfather, any educational institution, it should be used for
See,
educational purpose.
See, once you have given that land, if it was
Yes.
a private institution, it would have been a different thing.
Yes.
Government has taken over that whole thing. It's up to the government. They will use it for a purpose they deem fit and proper.
Yes.
How can you dictate?
Right now they cannot claim.
Because, my lord,
You may be able to dictate in Dispur,
Yes.
go there, but from this court, you cannot.
Yes.
my lord.
You can go and
I
request
have
them.
referred to the.
You can go and request the education department to do something. That's a different thing altogether. But we cannot. You address if you have something you show me. You are referring to 126
126 of the.
TP Act.
transfer of
That
property
will, I don't think that will have an operation in such facts. Anyway, on 2/2, reserve your energy for 2/2.
Yes,
Supplementary list for motion item 68.
highly obliged, my lord.
May it please, my lord.
Yes,
My lord, what had happened in the?
no FIR.
No FIR.
Why?
My lord, because I am a student
Mr.
of
Where is Mr. Fukan? Get hold of Mr. Fukan. We will have to have this thing authenticated. This annexure, wherein that signature of
My lord would
the
kindly. come to
controller of
page-
exam, purported controller of
My lord,
examinations is
page
32.
32, my lord.
That's the only case you have.
That is my case, my lord.
Get hold of Mr.
And
Fukan.
my lord, because of that, I had newly
Forget
filled
it.
up my
What
form
has
as well.
happened has happened. You get hold of Mr. Fukan. Let us satisfy ourselves on that. Get hold of Mr. Fukan. First time I'm seeing somebody writing in this manner. No seal, nothing. Why?
My lord, seal is there.
It's not.
My lord, page 32, my lord.
It's not very clear. Only
It's not visible.
a scribbling
Because, my
is
lord, it was taken away. This is only the photograph image.
After some time.
Get hold of Mr. Fukan.
Item 69.
This matter. This matter. 69. This matter before any other court without me. So, I should not be taking. Yes, matter. There's all. Yeah.
Daily list, item 30.
Item.
Thank you, Your Lordship. Lordship, matter is regarding provincialization of the service of the petitioner, Lordship.
You forget everything, Miss Devi. You come to page Annexure 7, 18,323, 13, right? Annexure 7. Oh, sorry.
Page
Annexure 9, page 50,
That's page 51.
right? The original is at page 51.
Yes, Lordship.
Huh?
Yes,
Where is the rest of the part?
Lordship.
Okay, you don't have it. No problem.
Yes, Lordship.
You come to page 93. Or come to 96. Satisfy yourself whether these two, forget the contents, whether the number and everything is same.
Which
Page 50 and page 96. PEO, Bozali, I'll read the Assamia part, you read the English part of yours. Right?
Lordship?
You come to page 50, I'll read page 96. Right?
50.
Got page 50?
50, page 50, Lordship.
Yeah, read the top part. PEO, Bozali, Toronto means inquiry, 2013-2075, right?
Yes, Lordship.
Tarikh, 18-3, that is not clear.
This is not.
Terror. Wait, that is it.
Yes, Lordship.
Then you come to the list of the people. Gorikanto Kolita,
Yes, Lordship.
Tini Sari, 86.
Yes, Lordship.
Boloram Das,
Yes, Lordship.
you are at serial number 6.
5, Lordship. Serial number 5.
Mohit Roy, no, in item, in page 96.
Yes, 96. 96.
That is their part of the affidavit filed by,
Yes, Lordship.
here, same document, right?
Yes, Lord.
Your name is shown as serial number 6.
That is the
Date
case,
of
Lordship.
appointment is 339. No, I'm not on that. How can there be two copies, two particulars of a single document? Either yours is wrong or his is wrong.
Yes, Lordship. That is my grievance is that they have manipulated the documents,
Fine,
Lordship.
very good. How can they manipulate the BEO's letter?
Lordship,
Because this BEO's letter is there in your communication part. Where is the rest?
Lordship, I have got my appointment letter also. But
Where is your resolution?
everything is there,
His
Lordship.
resolution is not there, madam. You are for Mr. Mohit Roy.
Yes.
You are for?
Lordship, I am for the respondent number 9. Lordship,
A headmaster or something.
Headmaster, was it?
Lordship, for a moment, page 56, Lordship, annex 13. 56. Page 56, annex 13, Lordship. This is the report of District Elementary Education Officer, Lordship.
Forget it. We are not even in 14. We are in 13 now. 2013.
Yes,
I
Lordship.
want a reply on this. Page 50 and page
Lordship,
96.
their ground is that I have been discharged from service, Lordship.
Madam, they have said many things. Forget the discharge. But first, establish your presence. If page 96 is the correct document, then you can have no grievance with his provincialization. He is senior to you.
Yes, Lordship. Then they may, Lordship may direct them to produce the record, Lordship.
You have annexed, you justify this, page 50. Because page 50, 51, the rest is not there. Hmm?
Yes, Lordship. This is one part, Lordship. Second page is not available, Lordship.
2013, there was computer typing available in district BEO's office. Yes, you had given computers to BEOs in 2013 itself. Mr. A. Fukon, learned counsel, appearing on behalf of the Elementary Education Department, shall produce the records of wherein the communication at page 96 dated 18/3/2013 issued by the Block Elementary Education Officer Bozali, Patsala, is available. The communication bears number BEEO/Bozali/Enquiry/2013/2075. List this matter again on 30/1/2024 for further hearing. Get that document.
Yes, please.
And madam, if that document is on record,
Yes, Lordship.
you
I
are
have
not,
got one covered case also, Lordship,
No,
of our.
you are referring to that case wherein no notice terminated, my lord Justice Suman Shyam.
Yes, Lordship.
That order will come in your favor when you find that you are in the school at least either in 86 or in 89.
But in
90.
that order, in that judgment, Lordship, Honorable Justice has observed
Madam,
that
I'm not-
records have been manipulated.
No. In your case,
No, in that case.
forget it. You
Exactly
establish your
similar,
case. first.
Lordship. Facts are
If you
also
are
similar.
90, you are out. If you are 86,
Yes,
you
I
are
am
in.
86, Lordship.
If you are 86, you are in. The rest, we will ignore.
Yes,
We will
Lordship.
direct. But first, establish them. You get the records.
Yes, Lordship. Obliged, Lordship.
Obliged, Your Lordship. Lordship, with the apology, Lordship, kindly may I pray, Lordship. The item, Lordship, I just missed, Lordship, in item 28, Lordship. Can it not earlier date, Lordship, or at 2 p.m., Lordship? Just I was in the another code, Lordship.
No, we have passed orders. What is the matter? Constitution of
Yes, Lordship.
heavens are not going to fall on you if we hear it on a different day.
Yes, it may they may held, Lordship, with the.
Only a few days of midday meal scheme may be missed out. That much only, nothing else. Have it on the next day. If you want, I can delay it further.
No.
My lord, item number 23, the balance period of 3 years, my lord, yesterday stay has been given in that matter, my lord. Balance period of 3 years in the compassionate appointment, my lord. That is yesterday, my lord, stays there, my lord.
There is a stay on
Read
the
appeal.
process in that case.
There is a separate,
Oh, there is a stay order.
Yes, yesterday, Lordship.
yesterday, my lord.
Oh, I'm sorry, I did not know it.
My lord, I have already informed the petitioner also.
Itu dictation na lage. Itu live tweet dispose ne rakha bo. List this matter again on 19/1/2020.
My lord. My lord.
Item number eta koi dibo de
23, my lord.
order likha nahi 23. 23.
23.
List this matter again on 19/1/2024.
My lord. My lord.
again. Yes, I got.
Time being
Mr.
68.
Shama, you have got, Mr. Fukan.
My lord, my lord.
My lord, I have just talked with the controller, my lord.
Hmm.
Regarding that signature, my lord, it's all right, my lord, but subsequently it has been cancelled.
This letter has been cancelled.
Cancelled, my lord.
Produce that on next day. When are you coming by? You will not be here for some time. Actually.
My lord,
When did I fix your other matter? That
my lord, on 25 onwards.
25. List this matter again on 25/1/2024, on which date Mr. P.J. Fukan shall place on record the instructions with regard to the claims made by the petitioner in the petition.
My lord,
25/1/23.
my lord, may I pray for the interim, my lord?
What interim?
My lord, if they can conduct the practical exams, 10 semester practical exams, otherwise I'll still be able to graduate, my lord.
Where will they conduct? Okay, you call your candidate. We will take her practical examination.
No,
Make some reasonable prayer, Mr. When he is saying that order itself is cancelled, now how can we direct for a practical examination at this stage? Either you understood and then made this submission, or you did not understand and make this submission. Which is correct?
my lord, second.
Second, then go.
Most
Highly obliged.
Item 31.
Yes, where is Mr. Chaudhary?
Yes, Lord.
Yes, what is your material?
Now, Lordship, here in this case on the 9th, this affidavit in opposition has been filed. And in this particular affidavit in opposition.
Mr.
Serious
Chaudhary,
allegation
forget
has been
the
made against the
affidavit in
petitioner.
opposition.
Let me
Just
give
tell
some
me
time to the petitioner to submit.
from
reply.
where did you give this date 1/12/67 in your matriculation?
Because the instruction that I received from the petitioner, Lordship, my client, is that he obtained some document from the LP school and accordingly that was presented before the concerned authority. Because the verification is there.
Which
I have
LP
annexed-
school?
I have annexed.
You give me, we'll have Mr. Sisti is here, Mr. Pukan is here. They will take that instructions. No problem.
Because there's a over this WhatsApp, he has given me
And
the.
tell me how, where is that person is alive? The person who engaged you is alive today.
Yes, Lordship.
Huh? Give me his address. We'll proceed against him, child labor. This is not done. 7 years you get an appointment. Your original appointment, date of birth, 18 years, correct. 85, thereafter you appeared in the matriculation. Therein you give a date of your own choice.
No, Lordship, the record was placed.
Seba had got it. Seba does not know. Seba has got something, it has recorded. Now we will go behind that.
The verification is there.
These
Lordship, in the-
benefits. And is he still continuing?
The
Mr.
verification.
Fukan, is he still continuing in service? Is he still continuing in service? Yes, Mr.
No, Mr.
Patanoyer is here.
He's coming, Lordship.
Okay,
No, he's
after some time.
After some time.
Then at 2, Lordship.
After, not two, now only, after some time.
Yes, sir.
Call Mr. Khatoni.
Yes, sir. Please come.
Item 32.
Lordship, pass the matter for a time being.
No, wait, nothing. Yes, Mr. Sogia, what is your instruction?
Case of the petitioner placed in 3 times, my lord.
3 times.
3 times, my lord. Due to lack of vacancy, my lord, they could not be.
List this matter again on 19/1/20. Today I will not dismiss. 19/1/2024. On which date Mr. Soikia, P. Soikia shall place on record the instructions are sought for by this court ordered it 16/11/2000.
Master.
Item 33 and
You get
34.
the full particulars from. All the details you get. When it was placed, dates.
My lord.
If you have the minutes, nothing like it.
My lord.
Item 33 and 34.
Yes, Mr. Das.
May please, Lord.
Lord.
Well, in this case, the inquiry is complete so far as the affidavit is concerned. Of the,
Mr. Das, one query.
yes,
This is in the form of a PIL now. This writ petition,
this is petition.
this present writ petition. can it be construed to be in the form of a PIL? Just my doubt. I want an answer. Because the issues that you have raised is nothing personal to you.
No.
These are issues affecting a larger part of the society. Why a writ petition and why not a PIL must be? Because earlier you had approached this court by way of a PIL and that had
The
given
court
its
had
effect.
said that we have to approach the
Section under 8,
section 8.
under the provisions of 8 before the governor, you approached and the governor had undertaken that inquiry. We don't know the fate.
Undertaken the inquiry is complete
Complete
and it is before the authority
authority
to
concerned.
take a.
Then you have now brought on record another further 11 allegation.
Yes, the second case.
Second case.
In this case, the inquiry is complete, only the action to be taken by the chancellor.
Yes, you are paying for.
For agriculture university, Lordship, the
What will you do?
concerned vice chancellor has already demitted office. Now there is a new incumbent.
The subject to what query I have pushed to Mr. Das, the reply there too. If we are to entertain this writ petition, his retirement is immaterial.
Here over it.
Mr. Das, I would like to be educated on that. Because a doubt
Yes,
has
yes.
come up.
Because earlier they had approached the PIL.
The only thing there in PIL, the court might have said because you have not exhausted
Yes,
or followed the process. So,
they
No.
follow the process.
but here, the locus, person aggrieved, all those questions
Are in the larger canvas.
canvas. So, how do I proceed in the matter? Yes. You're giving a very,
There's a PIL.
how can I treat? You have to go before the division bench.
Before the
I can't, that I'll not.
Yeah.
The junior most judge here. I'll not go and touch the court number 1 like this. But Mr. Das, something from my knowledge, I would like to hear you on. Not today. Have it on a date convenient to you.
Well, I am occupied till 24
24th of this month.
this month.
No problem. We'll have it after that.
Come.
Can we have it on 30th?
Yes.
This month, man.
This month.
Yes.
List this matter again on 31.
These two methods.
Two matters, huh? Two matters, huh? Item number
Which instance has a PIL?
34, no, 33, 34. List these matters again on 31, 2020.
Yes.
On which date the Agriculture University shall place the updated instruction. You will not be knowing, it's the
No,
government.
you will not.
The government.
in the piece of it, I will inform them.
The government in the
The chancellor.
in the agriculture department, the chief secretary
Yes.
or the agriculture department, the government in the agriculture department shall place on record the updated status with regard to the inquiries that were conducted against the respondent number 6 in the matters. List again on 30. Just educate, it will help me in future.
Yes.
That's why I'm requesting it.
Yes.
It's a pertinent question.
Time being item 31.
Yes. What is your instruction?
Well,
You had given it, huh? Okay. Yes, Mr. Chaudhary.
Lordship, the affidavit has been filed on the last occasion on 9th. And in the affidavit, it has been mentioned some serious allegation.
Mr. Chaudhary,
Some serious.
forget
allegation.
all this thing. Forget all this. Tell me the basis.
So that I can understand, Lordship, because the fact is that at the age of 9, he entered into the job, but
See, this is a creation of yours.
but the verification has been done, Lordship, because I have annexed all the documents, the Sheba document, it has been verified from the Sheba also. Nothing adverse has come up from
Arre,
the.
what will
authority.
Seba know? Today I am in an equity court. I'll have to go. They are also a party before me. I'll also have
That
to
I can
look,
understand, Lordship, but.
I'll have to look into
but-
the public exchequer also.
But your Lordship,
Have you are you continuing to permit him to work?
No, my lord,
He's booked on.
he's not getting salary, my lord.
Okay, fine. Then you relax. This matters again.
at least I'll be
On-
allowed to give my reply because some
on-
serious allegation has been made against.
On 7/2/2024, pleadings, if any, shall be completed by the parties before the said date, next day.
During the penance, some amount has been paid to him, but
That,
not
let him,
regular
let
salary.
that, he has done so much of work, working from an age of 7 years. I think that much is due to him.
Yes, my lord. Obliged, my lord.
Obliged, Lordship.
On 7th, Mr. Chaudhary, explain.
Yes.
Item 37.
Robin Boro, son of Matiram Boro. Who is appearing for the respondents? SCPWD.
I am Mr. P. Nayak is to appear.
P. Nayak is here. Yes, madam, what is your instruction?
Your Lordship, I'll be informing P. Nayak, Your Lordship. He will be appearing.
They have filed their.
Affidavit, but there it is neither here nor there. Nothing is there.
Yes, actually.
Your allegation that document
Yes.
is not been, RTI document is not dealt with.
Yes. No, my lord. RTA document helps me. Annexure
That
9.
is what, they have not dealt with that.
Yes.
List again on 2/2/2024, on which date an attempt shall be made to dispose of the writ petition. On the next date fixed, the Learned Standing Council PWD shall produce before this court the relevant records basing on which, where is that RTI reply?
Annexure 9, my lord, page 48.
Basing on which the communication dated 19/9/2013 was issued by the Executive Engineer, PWD Nalbari, Rural Road Division, Nalbari.
Obliged.
Deeply
Date
obliged.
issued.
Item 38.
So in that case, I also need some time. I will file an additional affidavit. Okay.
On the prayer of the parties, list this matter after 6 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registrar.
Item 39.
You're not interested.
So let's get-
Anyway, fine, no problem.
I have been discussed.
No problem.
May it praise your Lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of Mr. P.D. Nair, respondent number 6. On 13/6/2023, there was a dispute between the petitioner and respondent number 6 regarding the translation related to Annexure 2. The court directed for the translation by the translator. So, may I request the court to furnish us the copy?
Who is appearing for the private respondents here? No, the college. Who is appearing for the college? Mr. Prasad?
Zaid Hussain, my lord.
Zaid Hussain. Where is he?
He called me in the morning, he will be available, he told me.
Get hold
After
of.
some time.
We want that records. Only issue, madam, here is whether there was a selection, because you admit
So, Your Lordship.
that list you have brought in your pleading, the tabular sheet. There is an advertisement column. There is a column for selection. And then there is a column for admission and a date of birth. So if there is a selection, you also admit there was a selection. What was the nature of that selection? Because the minute says he was placed at serial number. If that be so, the rest we need not go into. If that is not so, then you have a case. So this translation and all that will go on, no problem. But I want that records. Get hold of Mr. Hussain. Be here. Get hold of Mr. Hussain.
Item 40.
May it please his Lordship. Does it pass over the matter for time being?
Madam, you have filed an additional affidavit. I'm not dismissing it before behooves. Therein itself, you have finished your case.
Sir,
Therein, whoever is the arguing counsel, tell them. that you admit that the rules came only in 2023 and you retired in 21. What more is there? List this matter again on 22/1/2024, on which date an attempt will be made to dispose of the matter.
Item 41.
So contradictory says that this is scrutiny committee recommended, but PSC says not recommended. Why not recommended? That is there is to clarify. Last occasion your lordship is done.
Yes, what is the instruction, Mr. Sharma?
I have received the instruction,
Yes.
here, my lord, and my lord. District Scrutiny Committee has recommended, whereby GSC recommended in the name of Sergeant Assistant Teacher for the Provincialization of his service, which was communicated by the Inspector of Schools in 26/6/2019. At the time, the process of provincialization of Birannagar and Sariali High School is completed. In view of above facts and circumstances, the director shall now place the matter before the next state level committee. Meeting for the scrutiny.
I will ask the director to take the matter forward.
Yes.
Dispose of,
Yes.
disposed of.
Obliged.
Oh, we'll pass that on. Wait. Mr. Guru, I will pass that on. The petitioner. Legitimate. Item number WPC 3731/2022. The petitioner has, by way of the present proceedings, prayed for provincialization of his services as a science teacher in Viratnagar, VIRAT Nagar, Sariali High School. The case of the petition not being considered for such provincialization, he had instituted WPC number 9452/2019 for this court. This court, wide order dated 8/1/2020, had disposed of a said petition, requiring the respondent authorities to take matter forward and to issue necessary order of provincialization in favor of the petitioner. Also, in terms of the said order dated 8/1/2020, the Director of Secondary Education Assam, by an order dated 29/9/2021, considered the case of the petition and rejected his case on the ground, his case for provincialization on the ground that the District Scrutiny Committee had not recommended his name for such for provincialization of its service. So, the petitioner has, by way of the present question, also presented a challenge to the said order dated 29/9/2021. So, today, Mr. U. Sharma, London Standing Counsel, Directorate of School Education, has placed before this court a communication from the Director of Secondary Education, wherein it has been stated that although initially the name of the petitioner was not recommended by the District Scrutiny Committee to brief. However, on a review being done by the said committee, a fresh recommendation in favor of petitioner for provincialization of his services as assistant teacher science has been received from the Inspector of Schools on 26/9/2019. So it is also brought on a record by the said communication that case of the petitioner is now being processed for being placed before the next state level scrutiny committee meeting. So, in view of the said developments taking place, this petition stands disposed of directly the Director of Secondary Education Assam to forthwith have the case of the petitioner is considered by the state level scrutiny committee and thereafter basing on the recommendations of the said committee to take a decision with regard to the provincialization of the services of petition. In the even the petitioner's case is favorably recommended by the state level scrutiny committee, necessary orders towards provincializing the services shall be issued by the director of secondary education within a period of shall be issued full stop. In the event for any reason the case of the petition is not recommended by the state level committee for provincialization of this of the services, the reasons existing of such decision shall be communicated to the petitioner in the form of a speaking order. So the above exercise shall be carried out within a period of 30 days or within a period of 2 months from the date of receipt of a satisfactory order. Orders either towards provincializing the services of the petitioner or communicating to him the reason for such for not considering his case for provincialization shall be communicated to the petition within the aforesaid period of 2 months. With the above observations and directions, the petition stands. The instructions produced by Mr. U. Sharma is kept in the record and marked as X.
Timing item 6.
Yes.
My lord. Matter is, I'm sorry, my lord. Yes, my lord. The petitioner service was regularized against one additional vacant post Hindi.
Why not? Her services was regularized from the date of appointment, like in other cases.
That instruction not
That
available.
instruction was the instruction I required. Let's just heard the parties at length. Let's just matter again on 2/2/2024 for delivery of orders. Ms. Pukan is permitted to bring on record any further instructions that may be relevant to the matter at hand before the delivery of the orders occasion. Before I deliver the order, anything is there, you can produce. I fixed it on 2/2. Oh, you are not here on 2/2.
No, I'll be available.
You'll be able.
Item 42.
Gimana itu? Yes, Mr. Bhuya, what is this happening?
My
I
lord,
have not understood.
my lord, there actually, my lord, very complicated issues, rounds of series of litigations, my lord.
Mane, whatever it is, if you come to the impugned order,
My lord.
11, some complaint, 11 done with, then again fresh 2017. Rightly stated by this court.
No, my lord, the
This 100 and page 25/5,
102, my lord, 25/5,
that is the impugned,
22 is the order impugned.
that is state.
That is statement. That is state by virtue of the stay order, my lord, my provincialization order is in operation. my lord. So that's why, my lord,
You will have to be paid your salaries now.
Yes,
Yes.
that's
Why
right.
is the salaries not being paid?
Elementary education. And for the SSA only.
Okay. Mr. Talukdar,
My lord.
there was an order, your order, by which his services were provincialized, and you found everything to be proper.
Yes.
Now, all of a sudden, somewhere, not till around para 6, para 7 also, para 7 half. Everything is in his favor.
Mal.
Para 7, The other half, you take a different view altogether.
Conflicting.
Nothing is there on record to justify that. Pay salaries.
Mal.
Can you pay it by before Bihu?
After view, madam. Before view to them.
They will not allow me to
Enjoy Bihu.
Mal.
Anyway, you have that Bohagi Bidai.
Mal.
My lord, one thing I just want to submit before lordship, my lord. I'm sure the preference for 7 and 8, my lord. So if at this point of time salary is given to him, that means allowing the petition, my lord.
Okay, Mr. Chaudhary. I'm going to record an order wherein on your submission, we are not releasing the salary. We will consider this matter on 30th. In the event the petition is allowed, or not 30th, we'll have it, say, later, 5th. In the event the petitioner's case is allowed, every month 12% interest you will be, and we will record that. We will record that. We will record and we will ensure that you pay that. Agree? Take it. Commercial litigation. You are having sadistic pleasure by stopping his salary. There is an interim order of this court.
That is there.
By which that interim order has been stayed.
My lord.
The earlier order of his provincialization gets revived. What more is there required? You contest these proceedings. I'm not saying you may not have a case. You will have a case. Contest. But why do you prevent a benefit flowing to him from the orders of this court?
I'm not depriving, I don't want to deprive him from any.
Thank you. Then we will ask his salaries to be released. From when have you not got your salaries?
Lord,
In view of the interim orders.
I have not been
parties to the proceedings. Full stop. In view of the directions passed by this court wide order dated. Where is that interim order?
Lord, is that page?
Order dated 31/8/2022. Staying the effect and operation of the impugned order dated 25/5/2022 and the set position continuing till date. The respondent authorities in the Elementary Education Department are directed to release the current salaries of the petitioner forthwith from the month of January 2024. That is from the month of December 2024, which payment be made to the petitioner within a period of 10 days from today. Thereafter, the current salary of the petitioner shall be regularly paid until further orders of this court. List this matters again on 13/2/2024 for further consideration. What is due to a person that has to flow to it? That cannot be stopped. He may not have a case. Establish that. We will withdraw that. At least that feel your client would get. You feel.
Interim order passed earlier.
Interim order passed earlier to continue until further orders.
43.
Yes, any instructions?
They were directed to file their affidavit, my lord, but affidavit has not been filed.
On the prayer of the petitioner, you could have made a better prayer. We would have entertained that. Okay, your wish. On the prayer of the petitioner, list this matter after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed.
Kindly fix a date, my lord.
Noted.
I am for respondent, my lord. We are selected, my lord.
File a vacating application.
We have filed our affidavit, my lord.
File a vacating, we will consider. List this matters again after 3 weeks on 6/2/2024.
Yeah, please, your lordship, my senior is on next, kindly. For
Okay,
pending.
these are the opportunities you have to take and do. Okay,
Yes,
Will
Lordship.
you always be making mentions like this?
No, Lordship.
Yes.
My lord,
What is
this
this
is- I
happening?
have instruction, my lord, yeah.
Yes, show me.
Yes, Lordship.
Compassionate appointee, you keep her without salaries for 2 years.
Already,
Then
my
why
lord-
did you appoint her on compassionate?
already, my lord, the salary is released.
Oh, very good.
Yes.
Oh. Operation successful patient there. Huh? This will not do. List this matter again on 5/2/2024. On which date Mr. U. Sharma shall produce necessary documents towards payment of the area salaries of the petitioner, which were already sanctioned for the period 1/8/2014 to 29/2/2016, but could not be paid due to a moratorium on financial transaction. Full stop. Please, Kiman Kushu. Like all of you said, 9/2/20.
My lord, our repetition has been misplaced, my lord. So, my lord.
Madam, give him a copy. We are having it on 9th.
Lordship.
Itu did it. Mr. Sharma, you're right. This should not happen.
Item 45.
Yes, Mr. Chaudhary.
My lord, in this case, I need to file affidavit in reply, my lord, against the affidavit of petition.
On the prayer of Mr. I. Chaudhary, list this matter again on 12/2/2024, on which date? Stop. Mr. I. Chaudhary the parties shall complete their pleadings in the matter on or before. Parties are permitted to complete their pleadings in the matter on or before 12/2/20.
Item 46.
In this matter, Lordship directed to file affidavit, my lord, but affidavit could not file, or Lordship may dispose of on the basis of record, or Lordship may allow 1 day time, my lord, so that I can.
Yes. What was the issue?
Issue, my lord,
I don't want the facts, just point.
the service of the petitioner, my lord, recommended by the DLC for provincialization, but it is rejected by the SLC. That therefore, he has
That dice code.
dice code, his name was not there in the dice code. But the
Okay. But the parties at length list this matter again on 6/5/2024 for delivery of orders. Correct. Mr. Talukdar, when I have written something, until and unless there is a review application, I can't go beyond.
Item 47.
Yes. May I please, your lordship, my lord, this impugned order is page 59 annexure 14. Name did not appear in the dice code because of that. Out of the 3
This
teachers,
matter has been wrongly listed. It's already ordered that it will be listed after the Bihu vacation. And again, it is written 12/1.
My lord,
So it is contradictory.
ensuing
We'll have it after Bihu vacation. List this matter again on the prayer of the parties on
your lordship was pleased to prepone, but the word Bihu did not
go on 7/2/2024.
Item 50.
Couldn't be earlier, my lord.
As Lordship may not like to take this matter, Lordship. Earlier round of litigation, Lordship.
What is the issue?
Lordship, this is statement dated, sir, his area salary as well as pensionary benefit has not released, Lordship.
List this matter before any other bench without. I had appeared.
Yes, Lordship.
Where? Whom?
Page 55, Lordship.
Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes.
I have seen Lordship yesterday only after listening. to
Yes,
the-
yes, yes, yes. You can have, yes, yes, we probably.
Much obliged.
List before any other court.
Item 51.
Yes, madam.
May I please as your lordship, here
Oh,
your lordship, we received our instruction.
You have your instructions.
Yes, your lordship.
Give me.
Paravise coming received your lordship. We need to file our
Just tell
affidavit.
me. How have you applied FREP? And Mr. Fukan, your conduct is not very good.
Agreed. I agree.
We will find a way out.
But 2014.
We will find a way out.
Agreed. I bow down to your lordship.
Ms. Pidas submits that she has received the necessary instructions and prays for 3 weeks' time to file her affidavit in opposition. Stop. Affidavit in opposition on behalf of the BTC authorities, right?
SSA.
SSA authorities. Accordingly, list this matter again on. We are today on 12. On 9/2/2024. Or let it be 16/2/2024.
May I just? make a small-
Miss
Yes, sorry.
thus shall file her affidavit in the matter invariably before 2/2/2024, and the petitioner thereafter shall file their rejoinder in the matter before 7/2/2024.
Grateful.
List this matter, Kiman question?
16.
Before 9/2/2020.
Oh, grateful.
24.
Grateful.
List this matter on 16/2/1920.
Extremely grateful.
Deeply obliged.
Supplementary list, item 70 for admission.
Yes. Stipendary, criminal case. Not a matter to be considered before vacations, after vacations. On the prayer of the parties, list this matter again on 7/2/2024 for further consideration.
My salary is also not.
You are not under suspension. You are
No.
under suspension.
What is the question of salary?
I was not placed under suspension.
48 hours behind the bar, team suspension. 48 hours behind the bar, team suspension. Make your arguments on that line. We will dive in. Give us a platform to act.
Yes.
In air, we cannot pass others. You develop your arguments on that line.
Service not yet provincialized, is my lord. It is
Not provincialized.
not provincialized.
Still, that money he is getting from the college regularly, how can you deny him? Your college.
Yes, I am the in charge principal, my lord, now.
Why are you not paying him if he is on duty? Why are you not allowing him to join? Have you removed him? Okay, now that you have said, we will have a talk. Have you removed him?
My lord, he is,
Have you removed him?
that part no, my lord, the
Then-
police committee.
Then why you open your mouth then? Pay him. Next date, we want to know. Remind me, I told him. Next date, whatever amount is due, that small amount, pay him. Or place him under suspension. Either or. You can't keep him hanging. He is a non-sanctioned post holder. He is in your college. He has some rights. You can't just remove him. It will be stigmatic. On the next date fixed, the college is respondent number,
4, my lord.
the respondent number 4,
No, no.
principal.
College is not for my lord.
No,
College is 3, my lord.
3.
College 3, vice,
And principal,
inserts 4.
respondents number 3 and 4 shall place on record material to show in what manner the service of the petitioner is being considered in the school after he was placed under arrest and thereafter released on bail. It is the contention of the petitioner that he is not being permitted to attend the school thereafter, although no proceedings and or order of suspension has been passed against him. Get it? You should have kept quiet. It would have helped you.
Item 53.
None appears for the petitioners. list this matter again after. List this matter again on 9/2/2024.
Item 54.
Yes, Mr. Counsel, what can we do?
Lordship, we were directed to take steps by
Forget it.
way of publication.
Forget the steps. You have instituted a criminal,
proceed
you have instituted a criminal case. What's
Otherwise-
going on?
Lordship,
What can we do? We can't validate your degree. We can at best monitor the investigation. There is no allegation there also.
Lordship, based on the allegations, we have filed various FIRs and all. There was no progress report from them. After
Progress report,
honorable
if
post
it is not
direction,
there, you have the way to come here. Is writ the answer to that?
Lordship,
Is the writ petition an answer to that? Yes, Mr. Majumdar.
I've gone.
Huh?
But I have not gone through the file also. First time.
Bihu affected. So that is virus. It
my
affects
simple
me
prayer
also.
was Lordship, the
On
investigation.
the prayer of the parties, list this matter again on 9/2/2024.
Yeah.
Mr. A. Todi, Learning Counsel for the petitioner, shall on the next date address this court as regards the maintainability of the present proceedings. Address us on that. Thank you for saying that.
My name is shown. So I'm not gone through. Apply.
Item
Today I'm
54.
not pressurizing anybody. They have gone through hell. So
People
today it's
are-
relaxed.
My lawyers are already on the move.
No, that's it. So that is infectious. It's got this side also.
Item 55.
Yes,
Matter, my lord.
he has a graduation degree. Why are you not giving him, Mr. Sharma? Why are you not giving him the graduate skill? Mr. Sharma today is totally in Bihu mood. No, can't help it.
Actually, it was allotted to someone else, because he didn't come.
On the prayer of Mr. U. Sharma, list this matter again on 6/2/2024, on which date Mr. Sharma shall address this court as to why the petitioner's claim is not to be allowed.
Item 56.
None appears for the petitioner on call. List again on 12/2/2024.
Item 57.
57, I have received an instruction
Yes.
by the petitioner has written to the lordship, to the director that he is no longer interested to continue with that, run the school lordship. এখানে পাঠাইছে তো কি আসলে
Yeah.
Mr. SMT 60, in terms of the directions passed by this court on 3/1/2024 as produced, a written instruction dated 11/1/2024 issued by the Director of Elementary Education. In terms of the said direction, said communication, full stop. In the said communication, it has been brought on record, issued by the Director of Elementary Education Assam. Perusal of the said communication reveals that the petitioner in the present proceedings, that is petition number 2 in the present proceedings, Fatima Begum Borbia, had submitted a written statement addressed to the Director of Elementary Education Assam regarding the closure of the school, that is Zakir Hussain Memorial Academy, Post of India, and her unwillingness to run the school any further. Also, further, the head teacher of the said school had also submitted Form A01 for withdrawal to the school. Also, The director further brings on record the fact that the school in question is a private school since inception. And the said school had a dice code up to 22-23. Full stop. And the dice data is not updated on account of the fact that the school is not being sought to be continued. In view of the said information as placed on record by the communication 11/1/2024 from the Director of Elementary Education, I find that there is no deliberate and willful violation of the orders passed by this court. Accordingly, the contempt petition stands closed. The instructions dated 11/1/2024 are made part of the records and marked, are kept in the records and marked as X.
My lord, I appear for response number 2.
I am for one.
Mr. S. Bora appears for response number 2, Mr. SMT 6048
One.
For response number 1.
Item 58.
58 through that additional affidavit that compliance order that was issued, that was I am supposed to produce today, but he has annexed it in an affidavit.
Additional affidavit.
Yes.
Yes, counsel.
At best,
he can challenge this one, Lordship, it is,
no, Lordship.
if otherwise not.
I am relying on some Supreme Court judgment, Lordship. There is no question of challenging the order.
Otherwise, under 17 Act, we are going to consider that
No, Lordship.
proposal has already been.
Direction, Lordship.
No. There is something.
Yes.
We'll hear it. List this matter again on 12/2/2024 of other.
Yes.
12/2/2024. On the prayer of the parties, list this matter again on 12/2/20. Because 11 Act,
That is.
how can you ignore that and proceed? He may have something. We will hear it.
Yes.
Don't worry.
Item 59.
Lord, the rule is structured in such a way, my lord.
Rule 28.
My lord.
In charge.
No, my lord, it is a regular.
Wait.
The challenge, my
Wait.
respected friend has been given the, my lord,
And
regular.
that is, correct me if I'm wrong.
My lord.
You are an in-charge
Yes,
headmaster in that
yes,
school.
yes.
So you are not covered by the scheme nor by the, you are not covered by the scheme. Scheme says regular headmaster. Rule says regular headmaster.
My lord.
He is the regular headmaster.
My lord.
He was amalgamated.
Yes, my lord.
In terms of Rule 28, his qualification is not to be looked at.
Not required.
What is the error there?
No, my lord, my case, I have structured that, my lord, in rule 15. My lord,
Rule 15, you forget, there is a specific provision in the rule, in
No,
Rule 28.
15 is also for the, my lord.
Forget it, but the rule itself, have you challenged that 28? We'll have to give it a harmonious reading.
Yes, my lord.
Then
my lord. Also.
Rule 28 is for a special circumstance.
Yes.
Rule 15 is for the general one. So this is a special circumstances he has been given.
But my lord.
Admittedly, he does not have the qualification. He is
Yes,
a high
yes.
secondary.
He do not have, my lord. He do not have.
Not dismiss it today.
My lord.
List this matter again on 2/2/2024 for further consideration.
In fact, my lord, challenge has been prepared, my lord. For
Huh?
Rule 28 challenge petition has been prepared.
Please do.
My
So. Otherwise, this
My
is not the, if that be so, we'll close it.
My lord.
We'll close this. Shall we close this?
No, my lord, no, no, not today, my lord. Let that be.
Mr. Bhuya understands everything. That is his beauty.
My lord. Oblige.
Item 60.
Lordship, on our court order, page lordship 6 in relevant page lordship 8.
Yes, Mr.
Yes, Lordship, one compliance order has been issued, but Lordship can review, I think. Thank you, Sandidian.
See, the effectiveness of Mr. Chisti. One request, things are moving.
The direction was that he is to file an appeal and the appeal authority will consider the same lawsuit within 2 months. But it.
cannot be said to be willful or deliberate violation. Maybe it's not compliance per se.
Yes, sir. They can challenge the ground on which it was rejected, that.
Yes, madam, what do you say? They have accepted your plea that only on the basis of UDI's data, they will not reject your case. But they say that we don't have the liberty to have other documents. So we are placing the matter before the cabinet to get or the judicial department and then naturally to move the cabinet to frame a policy. We will apply our mind. Mr. Sisti, in terms of the request made on the last occasion, that is on 4/1/2024, has placed before this court an order dated 3/1/2024 issued by the secretary to the Government of Assam School, Department of School Education, considering the case of the petitioner. Considering the case of the petitioner in pursuance to the directions passed by this court on 2/9/2020, passed in WPC number 171520. Also, the said instruction is kept on record and marked as X. In view of the same, list this matter for further consideration on 24/2/2024. We'll see, ma'am, what we can do.
Reserved or not fixed?
No, fix that. Fix it on
Fixed
24/2.
24/2.
24/2. Today I have promised them, I'm
Yes,
not
yes.
promised.
No. Yes, yes.
24/2. Sunday article I'll give you. 22.
22.
22.
Item 61.
Service report await in respect of 1, 2, and 4.
Service report awaits, 3 has come, but you see when the steps were there, steps is of 30/11. So this is gone, you take fresh steps.
No, Lordship, in this case, the Okalama has come, Mr. Armoduda and B. Mukosegi are supposed to appear. By next week, they will appear. It has
Okay,
come.
please this matter again on the prayer of the parties on 31/2024. We will see on that day.
Item 62.
Yes, madam. 103. What is 103? Okay, the order. And the speaking order. Yes, Mr. Sharma. You initiated proceeding against her. Him. Her appearing him. But you initiated proceeding against her.
Yes.
Right?
Right.
She challenged. That challenge was upheld. Now, what is the material basing on which you have issued this September 2022?
My lord, instruction is awaiting, my lord.
Okay, very good. Let's this matter on 29/1/2024.
Lordship, 29th, I'll be out.
Okay. On
Before that, Lordship.
after that,
No, Lordship, I'll be out for 1 month.
It is it.
on 25/2/2024, on which date Mr. U. Sharma shall place on record instructions as to the grounds, as to the material basing on which the order impugned in the present proceedings were passed. Letting come up, we'll see what.
Obliged.
Item 64.
25/2/25/1, sorry, 25/1 day.
Pursuant to the last order, I filed an affidavit, additional affidavit.
Yes, after the Supreme Court
Yes,
order,
madam.
what is that?
As for payment of first salary, my lord, some documents are required, my lord. We have asked for that
They
document.
have gone up, there is a order. They have said that those documents are not with us, it's gone. Now, after the order of the Supreme Court,
Yes, my lord.
how can you? That's been dealt with by this court also.
No, no, they have not submitted all the documents, my lord.
Forget it. Documents there, not there, we are not worried now. We are worried with the payment. You pay.
No, my lord,
Give a certificate that these documents are not there.
no,
the process,
He has filed an additional affidavit. Therein he has brought on record those things.
as regards, they are not denying it, my lord. They are not saying that, my lord, documents are not with them, my lord. But
Yes.
as per the finance service portal, my lord, we have to, for payment of first salary, we have to upload those documents, my lord. So once they submitted those documents, my lord, we'll release the first salary, my lord.
No, they say that documents were seized by, were taken by BEO.
Yes, and they were produced, well, they were produced before that. And then they returned it and say that you signed this letter and said take time to produce the documents. That's what they say. The appointment letter.
And what is
everything
that criminal case?
What?
That criminal case
Criminal case, has been, that was, FR was, given.
given, and now again the,
They have again tried to reopen it, that way in an improper manner. That is not the way, it is to be done.
that we would take
No,
care.
that will take its own course, my lord. We have already filed in this one, my lord. Complaint petition, my lord.
Narazi
After
petition
Na-
also dismissed, well.
In Narazi
Narazi
petition,
was dismissed, well.
in Narazi petition, there was an observation by the
Thereafter,
honorable
For
court
4
below
years, they did
that
not do anything.
we can file a complaint case, my lord. That we have filed, my lord, subsequently. That is a different, that is totally different.
Mr. NJ Khatania shall take notice of the contentions raised by the petitioners in an additional affidavit filed on 5/1/2024 with regard to the documents sought for them, and thereafter make his submissions in the matter on 2/2/2024.
Obliged.
Obliged.
You take this one.
Yes, my lord.
Amending item 39.
Take me.
That's why I'm appealing for the principal and the governing body of this college lordship.
Okay, where is the
And I will
records?
late lordship.
Records.
Records are here.
Yes, show me that records wherein, on the basis of which that first minutes of the meeting was in.
Yes, yes.
That's the
Lordship.
case, Mr. Prasad?
My lord.
Main petition.
Lordship, the principal herein was appointed in the year 2012. And he has got possession of this document, only photocopy of a resolution, lordship.
No, I want that page 25.
Page 25 of the
Petition.
Yes, page. Yes,
25.
yes, lordship, page 25. The
I
vernacular-
want the
the vernacular-
selection connected to this.
Lordship, so far my instruction. The principal, the present principal was appointed in the year 2012. And these resolutions were taken in the.
You have the records.
Yes, he has given the records, whatever he has received.
Where
Lordship.
is that select list pertaining to the selection wherein by which they were appointed?
Page 27, page 26, 27, page 27 and 28 was,
These are the resolutions, Mr.
yes,
Counsel.
lordship,
I'm
this
not
was is
interested with
available in the
this.
record, lordship.
Where are the where are the materials? Select list, where are those?
Even except this document, there is nothing in. And thereafter, their acquittance,
This
loan,
court-
etc. are there.
This quote from the earlier on, this is the contention that is being taken.
Only this document.
Is there any
available.
affidavit on the part of the college authorities on record? What is the
Yes,
stand
sir.
there?
The
What is the
college-
stand?
Well, they have not disputed that the selection was.
Okay, let's see how they have dealt with your statement. Page 79.
And the subsequent conducts also after the appointments were made also, my lord.
Para 5. See how they have dealt with para 5. Respondent number 6 is Mr. Nair.
Respondent number 5.
Paragraph 5, my lord, page 78.
Page 70.
78.
Okay, para 5. Yes, how do you say this?
Lordship,
Page 79.
Page 79, Lordship. Yes, Lordship.
Page 79, you leave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Read from the 10th line wherein.
10th line, Lordship.
Wherein the petition and the respondent may place that serial number 1 and 2 respectively, while so and so they place that serial number 3 and 4. It is further to be stated that the appointments were made on the eligibility as transpires from the said resolution.
Yes, Lordship, this resolution here,
Accordingly, appointment letters were issued to the selected candidates. Now, where is that selection? This affidavit you filed
Lordship.
recently, and you have, oh, it's knowledge. Very good.
Whatever I have
And Mr. Nair, if you come to your affidavit, you have given a very, you've taken pain to make a column, a chart. Where is that?
My lord, on page 87, my lord.
87. Now come to the second, third, 1, 2, 3, third column. Interview.
My lord.
Where is this interview? That's what I want.
My lord, it was by the.
Not by you, by him.
Lordship.
See, he also admits there was an interview.
Lordship. Here is,
Either you are not producing it. If the records are not there, what steps have you taken?
whatever is.
No, what steps have you taken if the records are not there? The earlier resolution records are not in the college. It should be in the college. Have you filed FIRs?
Lordship, the other resolutions are there.
Then why
These are the
specific, no, why this is gone?
This I have gone through it. The principal also verified it. And there are resolutions of 1996, 97 are there in this book, in this old book. But there was a loose sheet in between these records. But the old person, the other persons, the earlier GB persons already dead, Lordship. Now I have come here in the
The
year
influence is
2012.
by Mr. Nair or by Mr. Prasad? That will, no, the influence on this records is by Mr. Nair or by Mr. Prasad. Prasad will not have any influence because it is in his favor. So the person culprit is Mr. Nair.
Lordship, whatever the principal had in his possession, he has handed over everything old and new records.
Okay, we'll consider.
Lordship.
Before Bihus, I don't want to desert an issue.
Lordship.
But I think Mr. Nair has influence. The records were with her over in the school. She was also in the office.
He is also his officer, same LDA.
Hello.
Otherwise, the subsequent.
He is working as the UC.
Same, we are in the same post, matter. We are in the same post.
Both of them were working in
On the
same
prayer of the
in same
parties,
post.
list this matter again on 6/2/2024.
Interim to continue.
The interim order passed earlier shall continue. On that day, we will take a call. And you make a,
One day there, one day.
why one day? We will have it on 8th.
Yes.
Huh?
I have some difficulty on 8 plus 9, any day, any day.
Let it be then on 13th.
13, madam.
13/1.
13.
13/2.
13.
This is the problem with busy councils.
With the council's Lordship.
Yeah, you agree on a date after 1.
15.
15.
15.
Okay, 15.
15.
15. So happy Bihus to all.
Happy.
List over.